Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to have you here as we explore one of the most exciting technological revolutions of our time, the Internet of Things, or simply IoT. This presentation is brought to you by Tech Ed, and today we'll be diving into how IoT is transforming our homes, our cities, and even the way we live every single day. Now, before we begin, take a moment to imagine this. You wake up in the morning, and before you even get out of bed, your coffee machine starts brewing, your lights slowly brighten to match your mood, and your thermostat adjusts the temperature to just the way you like it. Sounds futuristic, right? But this is not a dream anymore. This is the Internet of Things in action. So, what exactly is IoT? In simple terms, the Internet of Things refers to a network of everyday devices like phones, watches, refrigerators, cars, and even entire buildings that are connected to the Internet and can communicate with each other. These devices collect and share data, making decisions or taking actions automatically without human effort. For example, your smartwatch tracks your heartbeat and steps, your phone stores that data, and your fitness app uses it to suggest healthier routines. Your devices are talking to each other quietly, efficiently, and constantly. That's IoT at work. Let's look closer at where IoT has become part of our lives. In our homes, smart assistants like Alexa and Google Home help us play music, control appliances, and even answer our questions. Smart refrigerators remind us when groceries are running out. Doorbell cameras alert us when someone's at the door. Every connected gadget contributes to a web of comfort and control, making our homes smarter and our routines smoother. But IoT isn't just about homes, it's changing our cities too. Imagine traffic lights that adjust in real time to reduce congestion, or waste bins that send alerts when they're full, so city services know exactly when to collect them. Picture streetlights that dim when no one's around, conserving energy and reducing pollution. These are not science fiction scenarios. They're happening in cities around the world right now. Now, let's talk about the benefits, and there are plenty. IoT makes life more convenient and efficient. It saves time, energy, and money. It improves healthcare by allowing remote monitoring of patients. It helps farmers monitor soil conditions, businesses track inventory, and governments manage public utilities better. It's all about using data to make smarter decisions. But as with all great innovations, IoT also comes with challenges, and these are important to think about. Every connected device collects data, sometimes very personal data. That means privacy and security are critical issues. Have you ever wondered who has access to the information your smart devices collect? Or what happens if someone hacks into them? Cybersecurity threats, data misuse, and system vulnerabilities are real concerns. And as our dependence on IoT grows, so does the importance of protecting ourselves from these risks. Governments and companies are working on stronger encryption, better regulations, and more secure designs. But awareness among users is just as essential. Another challenge is data overload. IoT devices generate enormous amounts of information, sometimes too much to handle efficiently. Managing, analyzing, and storing all that data is a big task, especially when accuracy and speed are vital. Yet, despite these hurdles, the future of IoT looks incredibly promising. With the power of artificial intelligence and faster 5G networks, IoT devices are becoming even smarter and more responsive. Imagine hospitals where patient health data is analyzed in real time, allowing doctors to detect emergencies instantly. Or farms, where AI-powered sensors predict weather changes and optimize irrigation automatically. The possibilities are endless. So, as we move forward, it's important to ask, how can we make sure IoT benefits everyone? How can we use it not just for comfort, but for real change in education, healthcare, and sustainability? Because ultimately, the Internet of Things isn't just about connecting devices, it's about connecting people, communities, and opportunities.